Oh yeah.
No, that's enough. This is living. We are standing on top of a society of crabs. Oh shit, that's cold. Phew. Big dog! Yeah, doggy! What's up, big dog? Oh, right to the shore. Go! There's a boy. How am I sinking? Bro, my chair's on the bottom. I knew something was wrong. You could sit in Tom Street.
Alright, what we got?
I'll bring it over here. I can't believe the shit was so straight to the bottom. I was like, something's not right down here.
Mullet. Ready, boys?
Oh my god, that's fucking enormous. How big's that mullet? That's huge, mate. What are you trying to catch? Reel. Close up on the reel. That's a fish.
That's gotta be a fish.
Keep going, buddy. Keep going. Keep going, buddy. Oh. He must be swallowing. No, he's not. I don't think he's on.
Nah, surely, man.
No, there's nothing on. Boy, something was definitely running with that, hey?
Definitely. There's no way it was running that fast.
Smoking like a rugged. He's out like a light. He's not waking up for weeks. he does not want to wake up.
Yeah.
Do you think I could borrow your tiny
Daddy
little
eats.
tongs?
Tiny little tongs.
Tiny little tongs.
Tiny little tongs.
Good trade. Could I use your tiny little tongs? Thank you, Amber.
Tiny little tongs.
Oh yeah.
Tiny little tongs.
Tiny little tongs.
Good eats.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers, boys.
Don't flip it.
Right. Okay, wait. You gonna count down? Oh shit! He's gonna go! Oh my god, they're fucking gapping us!
You gotta pop all your tyres on these rocks.
Yeah. Thank you. It was here.
Really? Wait, did that cut?
It was a small one. Look at any fish there. Sorry. The funny thing.
I'm so scared.
that one. There she goes. It's definitely working. Is this thing on? Hello? Is this thing on?
Is this thing on? Hello? Hello?
I don't think it's recording.
Oh.
Can you not pop the menthol?
Rare shell. Rare shell. Only one in the world. Oh, good aim.
Ah! Date again!
Like and subscribe to TRC at sea for more content.
Got a couple hits.
Make
Good
sure
man.
TRC@sea.com.au to get your merch.
Yeah,
Bucket
merchandise, send them money.
Board shorts, fishing rods.
Phone?
fishing lures.
Pick up the phone, baby. Someone's calling. Who's calling?
Hello.
Hold up, I'm getting a phone call.
There's a big fish over there. I don't know what it was.
Hello? Hey, you can't say that online.
Drag of the fag.
You can't say that.
It's a fag. We're British.
We're British.
Like there, and there. Well, there's fag and fag.
Oh my god.
Like bubbles floating around.
Beep, beep, beep.
Oh no!
Oh shit. Should I hop out and check it?
Actually, no.
Should I hop out? I'm gonna hop out and check it. Oh, I'm gonna be so dirty in your car. You'll make that.
Give it a go, Francesco.
Don't stop. Hey.
We're in the fucking forest.
Funny thing.
Get up behind.
What's that big one called again?
This is the big dog.
It's called a black drummer.
Wait, just bring an embryo log to the fucking beach.
Yeah.
It definitely won't catch the whole bush on fire on the way down.
Hey, Carrot, the Olympic tour.
Smells like fish.
You ain't Snoop Dogg, bro.
I like the BW.
I have it at
Wait, push the ember right there.
That's probably too hot, honestly, but.
Oh my god. Freak-outing vision. That's the most volcanic vibration. It's actually so... It's like the fire's literally right here, bro.
Just be really careful where you step.
Yeah, like right here. You didn't even move it. You forgot to pick out the phones.
I don't pick the phones out, it's a whole beer. It's a whole
Bro, just take the joke.
You did forget the scales, but that's alright.
Look at that. Eyeball for dinner?
I'm gonna use this as a tracer.
Yeah. Chase for the eyeball. Oh.
At least it's cooked.
Oh.
Why'd you do it?
You gotta chew it, bro. No, it's
Hurry up and chase it. What are you doing?
An eyeball.
You swallowed it, then chase it.
Oh no, bro. Failed fishing mission.
Why can't we catch anything?
I think we got no fish. We got no
She's
alcohol
empty,
left.
she's
Yeah,
empty.
she's empty, bro. I've been holding this cup with no perp.
Pull more.
No, wait, no. Yes.
It's gonna go in the bottle.
Yes. No, pull more. Over there, Tom. Over there, Tom.
They say more.
Sure it doesn't come up the fucking
No, it's not.
This is key.
You're supposed to put gasoline on.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I guess it's supposed to like stay lit, so. Is this up to OHS standards?
Yeah, that's how they do it in trade. A bit more than that, bro.
It's the trick of the trade, man.
Oh, you need a bit more.
Well, once it starts fire,
Yeah, true.
yeah. Now put it in. Now put it in.
No, it's chucked in, dude.
As long as it's on fire, it'll keep going.
Alright, switch it.
Oh!
Wait, watch out, Will.
So you can't go out there and do
Wait, spin it.
Look at this.
Who wants to go? Will, you on us?
Oh, sure.
Bro's gonna pull up his pants real quick. Wait, give it a Will.
Wait, give me a belt.
I probably won't spin it like that, but I'll grab it. Whoa, whoa! Oh, okay. I love how it's staying.
Oh.
I am the beltless flame twister.
Wow.
That
was close.
Wait, don't burn your finger again. Wait, bro's playing with fire, literally.
Far out, mate.
Whoa.
Anyone else want to go?
After this, I don't even know.
Oh, it's out. She's out.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. Wait. Ready? I'm gonna splash it again.
Man!
Alright, everyone back up. Back up, back up.
Oh, the fire!
Ready? Woo! Move the chair, move the chair. Oh.
That speaker, move the speaker. One more.
Another one?
Yeah.
Alright. Whoa! Oh, shit. Oh.
Crazy, that's so cool. Tom.
Get in that shit. I'll get 0.5.
Cody gave me the piggyback through the mangroves, which is the best. No battery? I fucking
Alright. Holy shit!
That's awesome!
Oh my god, that was insane. Oh, you're too far forward. You. I'm done.
Yep. Oh no! Three, two, one, go! Alright, 5 seconds. Alright. Oh, that speed. Oh. All the way.
When you get to the bottom?
Jaska.
Oh, fuck me. Oh. So I just put my feet up like that.
Come on.
Oh, what? Wait, where do I put my feet?
You just wrap him around his. I'm gonna sit way back in your lap. Okay?
Yeah. Wait, you hold the GoPro then. Is this shit recording?
Yes, it is.
Where do I put my feet?
Just stack your legs in between where he is. Oh shit! Lean back. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Straight in. Straight in. You wanna give me a push? Oh fuck. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! You okay? Yeah, man. Oh my god! Dude, he's bleeding. You good? You bleeding a bit? Yeah. No tooth loss though. I saw Tom fucking hit it hard. Oh shit. Wait, let me get the camera. What just happened?
That was wild. You good, brother?
I think I just lost my camera. Really? No.
Wait, what do you have to say about that, dude?
Big dog shit!
Bro,
Too much.
I thought you died, bro.
No,
I actually thought you died.
All I saw was coming across.
I felt myself slowly coming forward. I was like, oh, fuck. I'm so sorry. Jax, you okay, bro?
To the left! Oh, good shit!
Scares me you had your hands up your before.
Dude, that was good. You slowed down like genuinely the first time.
No, I'm gonna use this kidding.
Wait, you rolling poly.
Send it!
Go close. Careful! Yeah, he's in the pole. To the left! Oh!
Jacko's card down for the books.
Oh yeah. Radiator blown.
Out for the count.
Radiator blown.
Engine,
Radiator blown.
engine exploded. No, what is it called?
He's in the red, he's in the red.
Yeah.
Are you pouring it on there now? For what? Can't get behind this guy in the traffic.
Should I overtake him?
Yeah, 100%.
No, drive up next to him, please.
Tom.
You'll see, I guess.
doggy shit.
Holy shit, man.
Doggy shit.
Cut up, Tom, cut up. Holy shit. That's it, that's it.
Oh, you see the moon. Look at that. There you go.
It's about to go crazy.
There's a lizard in it. Get the lizard out. It's at,
Where?
it's at Chaska. Oh, poor buddy.
Where?
It's at your feet. It's at your feet.
He's getting away. Did you lose it? He's not on your shoelace, is it? No.
He fucking ran, bro. He saw the fire.
Well, he ran away from the fire.
I hope those people don't show up
Oh,
again
no.
at the same time. I really
Little skink.
Where is he?
Oh,
Get
did
him
you go
out.
back in? Get him out. Sorry, brother.
Nice save.
saved his fucking life.
No, that one's not coated. It's just the other end.
Oh! Oh, he's actually good at it.
Oh, he's hitting himself.
Now throw it up and catch it. Wait, I was kidding. Oh. Oh, Chaska's got it. Oh. Wait. I spoke too soon.
Alright, give us a show then. Whoa! Alright. He's better than us. Yeah. Oh! I'm watching Star Wars. You. Alright, pretty good. Yeah, that thing's pretty lit up. Oh, that was good. Oh, that was good. Oh yeah.
Oh, his ear's nearly on fire.
Hey.
Who do you think you are?
Hit him with it.
One side's fine anyway. Oh, he knows. Woo! Oh, yeah, alright. Alright. Yeah.
That was crazy. That went higher than me, bro. That was crazy.
Fucking illegal fireworks.
In a different country, of course.
You want to have a go?
Alright, ready, Ross?
Big dog.
You wanna?
No. Maybe I'll let Rowan.
It's a lot. There's a lot of fucking kerosene on that.
Oi, alright.
Alright.
Oh my god, is he talented or what?
Yeah, oi.
What the fuck? Bro, what do you mean?
Wait, that's what being vegan does to you.
What are you talking about?
Dude, bro, that's
Do
crazy.
it again, do it again. Bro's like, what?
I think we just found Rowan's hidden talent.
Alright, calm down.
Wait, I want to see
see Chaska. I want to see Chaska.
You gotta be cocky there. You gotta be cocky.
Casco, how high can you throw it?
Yeah, throw it up and catch it.
Throw it slowly.
Oh, wait, throw it up and catch it. I dare you.
I can actually run a marathon right now. Wait, that someone's got a face. You can hold that shit. Wait, give it to Jackson. At the end of the day, it is fun.
See what I can pull off.
Look at his fingers go crazy.
Oh, look at him go. Oh, here we go, Josh.
Jackson's like, let me get up close.
He's
Spin it around your head on the top.
not even looking, that's how good he is. Oi, alright.
Jax.
It's alright. Woo! Oh, clean with it.
Definitely jump. I think it's flammable. You'll jump.
I got him spinning it around in different photos.
Woo! Oh!
Wait, that's $10 fee right there.
Oh, Star Wars.
Oh, Star Wars.
Whoa! Ready? Three, two, one. Whoa!
That GoPro's not even capturing it properly.
Oh fuck, here we go.
Watch out, Will, watch
Whoa!
out!
Great!
No, he does not need gasoline, nigga! He's not need gasoline, nigga!
You go.
Watch out. Go, Will. But you're fully flammable. He's literally the definition of flammable. He's got a cotton shirt and fluffy hair.
Cotton shirt and fluffy hair. Talk about take your time. The fire's gone.
Yeah. Congratulations, you did.
Yeah, I got it.
Will, move the chair. Will, you gotta move that chair.
Ready? Now chuck all this shit on.
Wait, the fire glove. Where's the fire glove?
Hey, doggy! Oh, that's what's on fire! What the fuck?
Why was there a pan in the fire?
How are we going to discover this?
Shovel.
You mixed it in with the scene.
Stop screaming. Who is screaming?
Yes!
Alright, wait, someone light it.
What happened to you? Pour that!
Wait, there's gonna break it.
Throw the frisbee on.
What? There's not enough, probably.
Oh yeah! Oh shit!
My second beer's gone.
Trip's over. It's a sad day.